It's February 1st, 2011, and we got a blizzard going on. The news calls it a big one. It stretches for about 2,100 miles across the nation. Right now, the winds are blowing pretty good here in Holland, Michigan. I'm looking outside my bedroom window, looking west towards Lake Michigan. Right now we just have blowing snow, which is the main problem, and which is causing the blizzard effects. There's not much snowfall right now, it's just blowing. As you can see, these cars below, they've been there for several hours and there's no snow accumulated on them because of the blowing snow. But you look down a little farther closer to the ground, you can see the drifting. Right down there, that's where my stairs are to get up to my apartment, and there's probably at least a foot of snow down there. So it's getting nasty, and it's going to get worse before it gets any better. The visibility is about 1/8 of a mile right now. I'm going to open up my bedroom window so you can hear the wind and feel the ferocity of this storm. Hold on. Alright, not much ferocity, I guess. Now the winds are picking up good.